Can we do it then?
Have you ever watched a drone fly between trees, around buildings, or close to large structures and wondered, how does it avoid crashing? The answer isn't just quick reactions. It's a combination of technology, sensors, and careful flight planning. Many professional drones are equipped with obstacle sensing systems that help detect objects in their surroundings. Depending on the drone model, these systems may monitor the front, back, sides, above, or below the aircraft. As the drone flies, its onboard systems continuously process information from these sensors. If an obstacle is detected, the drone may slow down, stop, or assist the operator in avoiding a collision, depending on its capabilities and operating mode. However, these features are designed to support safe operations, not replace pilot awareness. That's why professional drone operators always assess the environment before takeoff. They identify potential obstacles, plan safe flight paths, and remain in control throughout the mission. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace plan every mission with safety, operational requirements, and environmental conditions in mind. Because avoiding a crash doesn't begin in the air. It begins before the propellers even start spinning. When technology, planning, and skilled operators work together, every flight becomes smarter and safer.